Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the Apple ID you want to fund, open Settings, and tap your name. Have a payment method ready: credit/debit card, PayPal, or existing Apple ID balance top-up. Make sure your Apple region matches the billing address because mismatched regions block payments. Once done, open the App Store and tap your avatar in the top right. That takes you directly into account settings so you can add funds. This step prevents long delays and rejected charges. Now you'll add money. In the App Store, tap your avatar, then choose Add Funds to Apple ID. Pick a preset amount or tap Custom to enter an exact dollar value. Confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. If you use a card or PayPal, the charge posts immediately and updates the Apple ID balance. Make sure to check the receipt in your email. It shows the charged method and helps reconcile bank statements if you need to dispute anything later. Finish by verifying your new balance. Go back to your account page and view payment and shipping or the Add Funds area. If the charge fails, first check card expiry, CVV, and that the billing address matches your Apple region. Sometimes trying another payment method resolves it. If the balance doesn't update despite a charged card, keep the receipt and contact Apple support. Provide the receipt ID. That lets them trace the transaction and restore funds quickly, preventing interruption of subscriptions and purchases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.